Hitting it again.
Yep.
Hey, so it's linear. Come this way 4 inches now.
You think it's the trunk?
No.
Can we take a break?
This is the most work you've ever done. What are you
Let me
talking
tell you
about?
something. For him to be in there, it's getting real. I am Michael Gattuso. I'm the leader of the Real Treasure Hunters.
I'm the voice of reason.
I'm always right.
He's always wrong.
I did not know what I was marrying into.
I like sharp objects.
I totally forgot to tell you that I'm a 2-time published author. Like legit.
2 times.
And
It was the same article, but it's
it was. Mike and I became business partners, and we owned our own repossession company for many years. Stealing for a living, baby.
And now you're stealing treasure.
Yep, if someone can ever show me where it is.
Welcome back to Arcadia, Florida. Last time we were here, we were on county property. We had gotten approval through the city and the county. We did check the county property. We actually sent the county home that day because we had lost 10 feet of the easement, and come to find out it wasn't on that property. It was actually on this property where I'm sitting at today. And there is still one up there, but we're going to worry about that later. So now that we are on the property where the actual treasure sits, I'd like to introduce Marcos. He is the owner of the property.
How we doing?
Given us consent. I think he's just as eager as we are to find out what's in the ground. So when I got here, the first thing I did is I stepped it and I actually flagged it. And then I went over with the GPR and I was pretty much right on point. So I still feel pretty confident there's something here. This is where they told us, in the backyard, by the fence, and anywhere else on the property. I didn't get no signal there, no signal anywhere else. This is the only place I did get hits on. So we're ready to start digging, and let's find out what's down there, man, because it's gonna, in treasure hunting we say today's the day. Today is the day. So let's roll.
Dig it.
Yeah, let's roll.
I thought it was supposed to be an X, Mike. Come on, mark it.
Tic-tac-toe.
There it is, baby. It's official now.
I was gonna draw you a treasure map.
Here it is. Breaking ground. Exciting.
Dude, this thing's heavy.
It's heavy, yeah. That's
Steel.
So it's been a little bit of a journey, and which led us to these folks here, and they're the actual new owners of the property. So it was meant to be.
Yeah, talking about timing.
Yep.
I was scared to call you, man. Honestly, because I didn't want to hear somebody say no to me.
Yeah.
Because that would have destroyed everything that we've been working on. Want me to hit it?
I probably will.
Hey, in the back of my thing, my pinpointer's there. Will you get it? Hello? Hey, where you at? All right, well, we're digging. All right, see you in a little bit. All right. Bye. Yeah, I want to scan it. I want to see how close we're getting to it. This thing should light up now that we're up to the top surface.
So as the soil comes out, we're going to scan it and make sure we didn't dig something out, right?
Yeah.
Cool, cool.
So far, so good.
I didn't expect that phone call, huh?
Nah. I was just waking up and I got a call. I was like, hey, there's something in your carpet. I'm like, what?
Something good?
Yeah, something good.
Right on, right on. So this GPR goes pretty deep. What do you think?
I'm ready.
Ready to see? Yeah, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think we all are.
yeah. Hopefully the story's true.
Yeah,
It's very detailed for it not to be.
right? Yeah.
That's what I think. But
They're elusive though, the treasures, you know, you just never know.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's why Haven't been found yet
I know.
all this time, so the research is pointing to this, right?
Mm-hmm. This is where it's led us, so we'll see what happens.
Cool.
But yeah, I'm gonna be positive.
Yeah, same.
Shows iron and metal right here.
A little to the right, Mike.
How did it move over here?
Oh, here we are. Todd, one of the other official treasure hunters. How's it going?
Glad you guys waited till 2.
Yeah. What do you think? Good to see you breaking ground, huh?
What they dug by hand?
No, yeah. Dug pretty easy, actually.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. These are the owners, property owners.
She's still getting a hit.
I think so.
Hey.
Still there. Man, we went that far off. Oh, let me switch one. Let me get my other one. Double check it. Not more accurate, but more, I guess, kind of precise. Yeah, it does impulse.
We never read the instruction booklet. We're not really sure. It came in the mail. It had an on button. Put a couple energizers in it. Here we are.
That's his job. That's all he does.
Yeah. Would you actually?
It goes over with the other fence line.
Oh, does it really?
There's like a daycare on the other side of it.
Okay.
And then I think the city owns to the other side of there.
Well, what's it go to? That fence right there, or is it?
No, it includes that whole.
It does include that one over
Yeah.
there.
And then it butts up into like some wooded areas. The city owns that.
Oh, right.
I think that's like a drainage area.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was this way more. Hey babe, will you get the spike from out of the back? A lot of times when you pick up a signal, once you start digging, it'll shift around because it's whatever's down there is a frequency that it's kicking and it's finding its way to the top of the ground. So what happens is when you start digging, it'll shift on you. And that's what happened here. It kind of shift on us.
Oh, yeah. That was how many houses there
Let me try, let me try.
All right, only about 20 more feet to go.
Definitely bringing some to the
Yeah, watch the video. His readings he came up with, gold on this thing. So
Yeah.
pretty cool, huh?
Very interesting. Arcadia's an old town, so there's
Yeah.
a lot of uncovered things still to find.
Oh yeah.
Early settlements, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a whole weird story about this.
Yeah.
You know, the whole story we got with, someone putting something here and blah, blah, blah. It's one of those things you just got to check it out. You know what I mean? So,
Always worth a shot.
yeah.
Unless it's this one, I'm getting close to it.
Mike, didn't your GPR say 3 or 4 feet or something like that originally?
Yeah, I checked this.
You're probably like only 2 feet there.
Yeah, but I should be getting a stronger signal.
Oh, I see.
That's my point.
Getting closer to it. All right.
Am I?
Popping off right there. Yeah.
You see how it
Oh,
says
yeah.
non-ferrous?
Yeah.
This one here. This one here.
That's what I think. But she just doesn't listen.
The ground looked really soft right there. You
Yeah.
could put the whole spike in there. I see glass.
good news is the swimming pool for your new your new housing complexes are going to be dug here.
Yeah.
So
Our footers are going good.
yeah, just lay a couple hefty bags in there, pour some water in.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
We gotta build a site plan around this now.
Yeah, oh yeah. Put a couple paper stones.
Check, I'm gonna scan the ground, see if it gives me a picture. And something there? It's hard.
Looks like we got a new sheriff in town. Oh, sweet, new sponsor.
Hey, you suckers, you into coming out here too?
All right, getting more
He
tea.
promised you barbecue. He told me there's gonna be a barbecue trailer out here.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, he told me there's gonna be 2 food trucks.
I got a gun in the truck.
They're gonna be-
Get us some
they're
barbecue.
gonna be Cooking barbecue. He said the property owner was paying for all of it.
Here's Aaron, another part of the team.
Duro?
This is the owner.
More hard that way.
I'm Aaron. How you doing?
Marcus.
This part is soft.
So what he's saying, that this has been pre-dug?
Maybe.
This guy work on Oak Island? That's been pre-dug,
Yeah.
disturbed ground. That's good.
Look.
You're hired.
The flood tunnel.
Yeah. Right here? It's hard.
Is it?
Like a right duck.
Something there? The dirt is tough?
It's soft. Yeah.
The city already
How
came
far
by.
is
They,
it? Like
they
this,
gave me
it's
notice
already
that we plug it.
been done.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Disturbed.
Once before.
Right there, yeah. So,
Anomaly.
yeah, it's
Speaking
pretty
of
soft, right?
anomalies.
Yeah. And then over here, you said it gets hard?
Uh-huh.
Right there. I'm pegging 97%, and this is, it's right at the top. Whatever it is, it's simply no more than
Oh,
the
¿qué
foot.
tal esa parte?
What you got there?
Unos pierde.
Oh, sweet.
Monster energy drink.
Very nice.
You want some more shovels?
Our first language was Italian, so I understand Spanish somewhat. Yeah. Parlo italiano molto bene.
Oh. Oh boy. Here we go so far. Listen, it's gold spray paint though.
Oh, well maybe that's why it says 94% chance of gold.
Yeah.
Does it look familiar?
So it's true, man.
God, just one time.
Yeah, right.
Take something up.
I know.
Aaron, we're not hitting it.
I know. Because we pulled all the trash out of that hole.
No, we hit it. It was way too far down. So are you saying not this one?
Huh?
You're not saying there's nothing here then?
I don't think there's anything there on that one. Because remember we dug down?
We didn't go all the way down.
We went 3-4 feet, bro, and we weren't getting anything down there. We were only getting on the sides, and then if we kept digging on the sides, we were pulling out cans. And remember, I told you it was a burn pile.
You're 100% positive.
100%. I know. I'm the one that dug it, so. Remember, we dug. That's the fastest hole we've ever dug in our lives. We dug that shit in like 15 minutes. We had that 3 foot by 6 foot around.
I want to make sure that it wasn't something that they dug out. There's something in there. It's on the surface.
At first I would say rim because of that edge, but
Metal
it
flower
wouldn't
pot?
flare up though. Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Like
Old pipe.
yeah, like an old. Well, the problem is it's way big. It'd be fucking.
It'd be big if you
It'd be a huge.
put it all
ass
piece it
pipe.
all together, right?
And the way it flares out.
Yeah. Was it like a metal flower pot or something? That's weird.
So, stuff's in here.
It is weird though.
That's
It's real thick
all
right here.
steel. Like a tire was on
Iron.
it, right?
It's iron. No, there was no tire on it.
Top pocket fine, Aaron?
Whose pocket?
License plate, dude.
Mike's? Absolutely. That is a license. Hey, there's a car down there.
Whoa.
We just found a stolen car.
What's it say? It says, oh yeah, Hoffa.
It's Florida.
We should look up whose plate that is, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks for finding some shit. That's cool.
Actually, does that say Florida? That's not a G. Oh, that's not a D.
No.
Michigan?
California?
Hey, can you do it where it's like going right in my face?
I
Yeah,
bet
Michigan. Put it with a pile.